The Food Media Network presents Kitchen Lingo, the 5-second culinary vocab learning challenge. Common culinary terms range from various ways to serve and prepare food and beverages, to kitchen items and equipment, to the names of the dishes themselves. Cooking definitions can also come from languages other than English, such as French and Italian, which can sometimes be challenging to understand. However, learning as many kitchen terms and culinary vocabulary as you can helps provide a fundamental knowledge for any food and beverage professional or enthusiast. Do you know what today's word means in the culinary world? Well, you will have 5 seconds before the answer is revealed. But if you need more time, you can always hit pause. Today's word is sorbet, spelled S-O-R-B-E-T, sorbet.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
According to the Food Lover's Companion, sorbet is the French word for sherbet, and it's distinguished from sherbet by the fact that it never contains milk. It's also often a softer consistency than sherbet. Savory or slightly sweetened sorbets are often served either as a palate refresher between courses or as a dessert. They are sometimes also called ices or granités, though both of these mixtures are generally more granular in texture than a sorbet. Okay, if you knew what the word meant, good job! If you didn't know, well, you do now, and the word has been added to your Kitchen Lingo word inventory. Thank you for playing, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. It's free, so that way you'll be notified when the next Kitchen Lingo Culinary Vocab Learning Challenge is available.